So, David, what are the 5 most dangerous animals in Europe? Can you tell us, starting with the 5th most dangerous? Yes, of course, at number 5 is a snake, the adder. The adder is the only poisonous snake in Europe. They can be about 1 meter long, and they're common in some parts of the UK. They don't normally attack people, only when people step on them by accident. A bite from an adder can be very painful, and sometimes can kill. However, the last death from an adder bite was more than 40 years ago. And number 4? The 4th most dangerous animals are cows. People think cows are slow and a bit stupid, but in fact, cows kill at least 1 person every year. However, all attacks happen when people are walking dogs in a field of cows. And they usually happen in spring or early summer when young cows are with their mothers. So, that's when you need to be careful. And third? In 3rd place are red deer. These are large animals. They can weigh 100 kilograms. You need to be careful in the autumn when the male deer can get very aggressive. They also cause accidents on the road. They run out in front of cars. There are about 50,000 car accidents a year because of deer. And in 2nd place, dogs. They are responsible for around 200,000 attacks a year, but most of them are not serious and don't cause death. Some breeds of dog like German Shepherds, Rottweilers, and Pit Bulls are more aggressive than others. One reason for this is that they were traditionally hunting dogs or guard dogs. Dog attacks can happen at any time, and some dogs even attack their owners. And in 1st place, wasps and bees. They cause more deaths than any other type of animal. About 5 people a year die from bee or wasp stings, and it's always because they have an allergic reaction. About 25% of the people in the UK have a bee or wasp allergy, some more serious than others. However, people are usually allergic to either bees or wasps, but not both. Bees and wasps only sting in self-defense or when they're provoked, but wasps are more aggressive than bees. So, if you ever see a wasp nest in your garden, call a professional to come and destroy it.